we dropping, boys? Hold on, wife's calling. Hello? You broke down? Oh, man, I'm sorry. What broke? Well, that's what we get for driving a Ford. Well, that's what we get for driving a Chevy. Well, that's what you get for driving a Dodge. Uh-huh. How much? Is that for a new part or a new car? Uh-huh. Alright, well, I appreciate it. Forget that. Babe, we're fixing it ourselves. Babe, I can totally fix it. I'm super handy. I have the toolbox that my dad gave me when I turned 13.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be installing...
If I can fix the internet by unplugging the router and plugging it back in, I think I should be able to handle this.
Options and websites, everything from custom offset.
This guy had to have left something out. All this guy does is talk. Just show me how to do it.
Babe, we're just gonna have to pay to get it fixed.
I know I said I could do it.